considering what happened in New Jersey, for someone that was, in the position that you were in, that has got to be the worst nightmare for a U.S. Marshal.
Without question. If you're the U.S. Marshal for that district, having a judge or a judge's family attacked, it's a nightmare scenario, because it's your responsibility to the best of your ability to try and keep them safe.
If this happened in Rhode Island while you were U.S. Marshal, based on the facts that we know through media reporting down in New Jersey, how would you approach everything that would be surrounding this case right now as U.S. Marshal? What would you be doing right now?
Well, I'd be doing the same thing that Wing Chow would probably be telling you to do, is meeting with the judges, making sure that they're secure in where they work, where they live, but also their families, because they're going to be heightened alert for obvious reasons. Because is it a pattern? Is it just a random act? Is it about the judge? Is it about the judge's husband? Is it about the judge's son? So it's just a natural reaction. So assigning marshals, deputy U.S. Marshals to those judges, maybe physically with those judges, there's only a handful of them, and then just refocusing, training them, talking to them about security. And I think you may think, certainly judges are bright men and women that understand it, but I think you really have to walk them through that security protocol again when you go to work, because I wouldn't say anyone's guard gets dropped, but just typically in a day-to-day life, you're not really paying as much attention to that as when something happens. So I would be working on protocols, talking to them. You may even have conversations about judges arming themselves. It's a possibility that there'll be a knee-jerk reaction that if this is related to the judge in general, how do you protect yourself when you're not in the U.S. courthouse?